Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today we are going to pick up where we left off with some It Takes Two. I think we last left off where we had just got done fighting the monkey, and now we are going towards the castle. Uh, anyway, I hope you all enjoy this video, and I will see you there.
Oh, my nose
The
is
game is so
itching.
full on
Yeah,
finding
that's
all the
the,
feels,
dust.
and then it comes up with
Must remember
cockers
to
like
clean
that.
under
It's
her
brilliant.
bed.
Yeah.
That's I love that. Oh, shut my playface. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use that.
She has so many toys.
Ew.
Yeah, exactly. One less would be a good thing.
Oh, she really loves that elephant, though. We have to buy a replacement later.
Yeah, we'll
Hey, your
just get
boots
her a
are gone.
replacement. Yeah, it's time for a new friend.
I actually thought she'd outgrown the elephant.
She did, but lately she's gotten attached to it again. I don't know why.
Okay, well, let's just find it. Yep, it's a ball pit of death, of course.
You're gonna do it to me, and I know it. Yep. Ah!
Oh, you got it.
God damn it!
That should have fallen.
Man, no fun.
Oh, I can't go past these.
Man, no fun.
You
Oh
have,
shit!
yes,
Yep,
you have the body
oh,
slam the yellow
look
one
at that
first.
save.
Green one. Oh, they go up as you do it. Okay. Turn around.
Oh.
I killed myself in the process.
Karma.
Oh.
There's a mouse hole here.
Wait, why is there only no?
Whee!
Oh, I hope you don't run into any mice.
Yeah. Maybe they're friendly.
Could be
and
worse than the
actually
squirrels.
help us in this world.
Well,
Not
yeah.
a chance.
Oh, okay.
Fuck. I missed the jump by that much. Fuck! I just completely jumped over it. My guy struggles to jump on the 3 blocks. My guy just struggles to jump.
Oh shit! Nearly got there again.
Fuck!
Woo! Why is there so many balls in the wall? That's what I want to know.
You mean the floor?
Yeah.
It's a ball pit.
But how did it get in here? Oh, here we go.
Fuck off!
Oh.
I'm struggling, dude.
Oh wait.
I hate it here. Alright, this spinning shit is bullshit!
Timing is key, is all I'm gonna say.
Never good at timing things. Oh! Alright! What?!
Oh! So close.
Fuck. My guy didn't even jump. Alright.
Oh dear.
Eh, 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 eh.
There you go. Right, go up that ladder. Other side. Yeah.
Uh, I jumped because I thought I was gonna die.
I can change the pictures, don't worry.
You gotta get the mouse.
I don't have a
horse.
lion with a horse!
Why did it not give me a prompt? Okay, hold on. Try this again. 3rd time's the charm. Mouse. Pig.
Beep.
Bear.
That one.
Okay.
Oh, goody, now
Oh,
I
no,
Your
I need
turn,
some.
May.
Right, frog.
That's not the fun way to just take the wrong out of context.
Dog, horse or lion.
It's gonna be the opposite one you had.
Beep. Beep. No, frog. Damn.
I went the wrong direction.
Right, stay on the frog.
So it was frog, then it was sheep. Nope. it was
Dog.
frog. Dog. That was up. So it was frog.
Frog. Oh, for fuck.
That's a pig.
Frog, dog.
Then I think it was
Yep.
lion.
Lion.
And I think it was sheep.
Sheep.
Then frog at the end. So, yeah.
Frog.
Eh.
Frog.
Fuck! I got it.
Frog.
Dog.
Dog.
Lion, sheep.
And then lion. Sheep. Frog. Lion. Whee!
Your turn.
Oh. Cow. Oh.
Let's see. Where to next?
If you're ready,
Ooh.
we're climbing the abacus.
Ah, yes, the great abacus. Long have I dreamed of scaling its peaks.
Sorry, but that doesn't sound
Moving.
right.
There we go. Ooh!
Give me
Oh.
Why do I gotta hang?
I'm hanging!
Rose's homework.
It looks like we have to solve it?
I helped her with it the other night. This'll be
Oh.
Oh. Let's see. Let's do this.
Oh, there we go. Two. Got you two.
easy. A memory game.
Oh.
Not
fuck
my
you.
strong suit.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Oh. Ah, that one. No, the other one. Oh, oh, oh.
Fuck.
No!
We did it. Uh-oh. No, not a connected
Oh,
dots.
more math.
It's draw by numbers.
Oh, I can do that.
Oh, you have to go left. I have to go up and down.
Down, 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 down.
Up. Which time? Damn.
This would be easy, May.
Okay. Two. Up, 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 up. Three. Four. Up. The. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10. 10.
We didn't touch 9.
Yes, we did.
We went past it.
2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 14, 15, 16.
You went back to 16?
Wow. Three, 10, 11. We're on a timer, you're aware of that.
Yeah, I know.
14.
I was gonna say, I got the left, or the up and down. You're the one that does left and right.
17, 18, 19, down, 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 down. 20, 2, 24, down, 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 down. That's maybe a fucking cat. Get it.
Yeah, I was gonna say, that didn't look like a fucking cat.
Oh, it's the husband. I thought the child was rattling the door. Who you want? Who you want?
What you want?
You can tell our relationships love-hate.
Oh, don't tell me we have to play with
Relationships like that are the best, though.
What? What did you? Try back. You kick up.
every toy Rose has.
Labyrinth
I have to write
games.
it.
Oh, those are fun.
Why are you so excited?
I used to love them as a child.
Well, I've never seen you play them with Rose.
Of course I have.
Oh, I
beats me every
hate
time.
these games in real life.
So, back here. We start back here. Other side. Other side. Right, I don't understand. Oh. Ah! No, 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 no! Right. Oh, oh. Here. Boom. That one was easy.
I hate these kind of games. Ironically, I used to own like 4 of them.
Yeah, I use one of these. These are like modern day fucking. Oh, by the way. Fucking puzzle games. Right, this one will be a bit harder.
Just have to take it slow. I wouldn't run all the way to the corner.
Ah, fuck. Right, hang on, we need to work this bit out. Ooh, nope.
Run to the middle first. Run to the middle first. No.
Fuck. Good, 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 good. There we go.
Alright.
Um. Hey!
You
Do
see?
you mind?
Told you the mice are friendly.
Told you the mice are friendly. Fuck off.
Jay! Right, we need to do it together. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3! 2, 3! Fuck me. Nope.
Alright, we have to do it quickly.
That's where I'm going.
Goodbye. Ironically, you could spawn in fast enough and start it.
Ooh, okay. Okay. Nope, that way.
The yellow one, no! No, no, you're pulling it back, you're pulling it back, you're pulling it back. Fuck. Yeah, I think you lock it in place. My guy didn't even jump. Hello? Hello? Why aren't you jumping?
Are you sure you're not? I think you're meant to be on the yellow side because there's another lever over here.
Alright.
Just run.
My guy just doesn't jump. Why won't you jump off the other wall? He's annoying me.
There you go. And then you swing. Ah.
I thought I was meant to jump off the other wall, that's why it kept failing.
Ah.
Really?
What? Fart jokes are the best.
Ah, stand the muckish, yeah.
I don't think it's that one first.
Oh.
Oh, I jumped. Yeah,
It's a hook. Oh, we need to wait till it goes round. That's it.
well, it was.
no.
It doesn't come back around once I pull that one down. It starts to spin back towards us.
Ah, see.
I just waited too long. Get ready. Okay. Gotta do the green one first for you.
Right.
You gotta be quick. Oh,
Yeah, but again. Get quick.
Nope.
Nah.
Okay.
Damn. Alright, go, go, go.
Why'd they come back to me? Wait, hold on.
I know, that was quite quick.
Oh, maybe you have to hold it until
We need time because your things are obviously a lot longer. Oh shit, shit! Fuck, stop! No.
get the green one again. I think it's also you have to hold on to the finger until it comes fully around.
That and I need to time it with your thing.
Nope.
Huh? Who's back?
I think just as soon as it comes around to you, go jump on it and I'll do it.
Right, go. There we go. Timing!
Okay. Yeah, I think I figured out why where all the balls are coming from.
Adjust. Maybe adjust.
Oh, a spinning wheel game. I wonder what the prizes are. Oh, that's it? Don't I get a teddy bear or something?
Okay, it's just gonna keep landing on the same one.
Oh, something here.
Did this get faster?
No, it stopped the green ones. Oh!
Don't go in the pool.
Oh, I won't look at pools the same way again.
Don't go in the fucking pool.
Hey, Cody! Grab the other one! Ah, the simpler days. It's nice to have limitations.
Yeah, but what about creativity being stifled and all that, huh? Kids can't do much with two knobs.
Should we just
You'd be
rock-
surprised. You just have to learn to use what you have to make something great.
Like we did, yeah. Oh dear.
Just drew a fucking footlock.
Whee! Oh.
What happens if I do
No.
this? I bet there's an achievement for getting all of them down.
Damn.
So
A
close.
sneaky frog.
Oh.
Let's play some
Oh.
baseball, Cody.
No.
Swing bat. Okay.
Watch out, May. I used to be real good at this.
I know how to bat a ball.
Not as well as I do.
Home run!
Move!
Ha ha!
Aw, damn.
Face it!
Alrighty.
There we go.
It's a hit.
Shit. Shit.
Big fly.
Bingo.
It gets really fast.
Lickety go.
Next.
No!
No props. Boom.
Ooh.
You're
Just a draw.
That's our first
Let's
draw.
go again.
What?
What's this?
It's our first draw.
Oh, what's up,
Yep.
piggy?
Hey, there's pigs. Piggy bank.
Oh.
Are these yen?
Oh, you happy piggy.
Jeez,
Yep, that's
Hank.
what I was trying to do.
So cold.
Okay. Just leaving the area. Oh, double thing up here.
Let go of it, damn it. Oh my fucking Christ.
No.
Fidget spinners, I bought Rose.
Yeah, let's try him out.
They're making me
Very
feel
spin, you
old
know.
with this game.
I know.
Real world, yes.
I remember fidget spinners with a fat.
I had like so many of them. I still have a lot of them.
I was too old.
Too old. You're not much older than me. Been too old. Fuck you.
Ah, okay, don't go for that.
Yeah, I kind of figured. Alright.
Figure out how to get to the red one.
So did I. Right, turn it off for you.
Oh, you got them.
Yeah.
Okay. Ah. I don't understand.
You don't have to go to that.
You get over.
I'm bouncing and then going straight towards the ball. The longer you hold it, the more you glide.
What? Oh,
Woohoo! Wow! This is cool!
I told you they'd come in handy.
I love them!
After a while,
Spin,
it loses.
Spin away, Meg.
yeah, I got that.
Ah, fuck.
This
All right,
changes
an
the game
obstacle
completely.
course!
Glad you like it. A lot of it was made by Rose.
She doesn't make it easy! She doesn't make it easy!
If I had a room full of these fucking like ball pit balls and shit like this, as a
Oh,
fucking
man!
kid, I got so I started laughing at you and I wasn't paying attention and fucking just died. I wonder if we could have just glided down this.
You probably could have.
Can I go back up? I can't. Hold on, I'm gonna see.
You are not.
I'm gonna.
You fucking can.
Bounce!
Brilliant.
We're about to lose him, I bet.
Fair enough, I'm just getting used to them.
Life is
Fuck off.
Oh no!
Oh, here we go again.
My plan is working.
Both of
You
our
like each other
reactions.
far now. But there are more things to learn and new challenges to overcome. Let's keep on going. We got a relationship to fix.
No, our fidget spinner. Alright guys, that's the end of today's video. Thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. Next video we will do more of this. Sorry I had cut this one where it was. It was already a long video. I don't like to make my videos go over 30 minutes. Anyway, I will see you on the next video, and I hope everybody was having a wonderful day. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like and a comment. Helps me know if you guys want to see more. Alright, peace out, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.